Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows. So let's get started. Before we begin, you need to know that Edge is a system application of Microsoft, so you can't remove it normally. But there's a method using command prompt. So you're going to go to the search bar and type in CMD. You'll be able to see command prompt. So you're going to right click on that, and after that you're going to run that as administrator. And here you'll be able to see that command prompt is now running as an administrator. You gotta paste the path to your Microsoft Edge installer. You can find it by going to the search bar, typing in Edge, and going to the file that contains this program. So once you're inside the Edge folder, you gotta run this command. I'm gonna paste this command down in the description below, so you can simply copy it from there. So once you run this command, Microsoft Edge will be removed from your system. So that's basically how you can remove Microsoft Edge from your Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.